This is a walk through our redwood forest, or I like to call it our baby redwood forest, because we planted it about 6 years ago. But all along this walk, these trails, are lilies and irises. Oh my gosh. These are bearded iris growing along our redwood forest trail. As if the redwoods are not beautiful enough. And then there's a fir tree in the background and another fir tree there. But then that's a redwood. That's a coastal redwood. And then there's the irises. And it rained today. That's a sequoia. There's another coastal redwood. And that's a sequoia with a maple in front of it, a broadleaf maple. And there's a coastal redwood right there. And then out in the distance are a whole bunch of coastal redwoods. There's another coastal redwood right there, a sequoia, another sequoia, a maple tree, and a redwood and a sequoia in the background, and that's our South Slope terraced garden. Living the dream Northwest style.